Hello YouTube, hey, it's Sean again. We're going to show you a way to get off a rusty rotor from a Ford F-250, but it'll probably work on most applications. Stay tuned.
All right, so I'm Richie. I work here with Sean. So here we're going to do is we're going to take off the caliper bracket, which I'll show you in a second. But I'm going to use this bolt and washer that I'm going to put in the hole. So I'm going to have you come down and look at this here. So I'm going to put it in the bolt hole where the caliper bracket was. And I'm going to screw this on the back side. Of course, it doesn't want to go on.
I'm going to go to the other side.
I'm going to take my 1/2-inch gun and I'm going to start setting this in. And it's going to rest against the bracket. You see that? The bolt will start coming up against the rotor. And bingo bango, rotor off.